original foundation of our house is 12 inches of concrete that's both above grade and below grade.
Yeah, I mean, this 12-inch concrete foundation really transmits the cold right in here. So you want to put a thermal break or an insulation on it. And we're going to use these panels right here that are 2.5 inches thick, made of closed cell foam. And on the outside and the inside, there's these capillary channels. So if any moisture should collect, it will run down the wall. There's also a vertical and a horizontal channel for the electrician to run his wires. And embedded in the panel are these plastic pieces that run all the way through it. And they act like studs that you can screw your wallboard, plywood, or anything to them.
And how do you want to fasten this to the wall?
This gets fastened with construction adhesive, and we're going to use a polyurethane.
Do you know the R value that we get out of? That's almost like 2 inches?
Yeah, this is an R10.
R10, nice.
And you know, it doesn't sound like a lot, but when you put it against that concrete, you're not going to transmit that cold into the building.
I mean, and any break is better than no break when it comes to the transfer.
Yep. Push it onto the wall. Make it level. I think you got to pick that end up just a hair. Okay, so what I did is I cut this piece right here. I made sure that it lines up with the studs below that are embedded in it. That's going to set on top this. Then I ripped this piece down, and that'll fit in here like that. And we'll glue that and line up all the studs all along here.
We want to just wrap this entire exterior foundation.
Right. Now we don't want to put this piece in until the electrician gets his wire in. So we'll just lay this here and then we can glue it in place later. We can take that drywall right there, bring it over. Now I cut this piece. Now this stuff hasn't been on the wall long at all. We can put it on the wall like that, keep it up high so it's off the ground. Now I just find out where all my studs are. Again, they'll be 16 on center. Shoot it in with the drywall gun. And there you go. Now this wall is studded, insulated, in this case already blue board.
And we are going to be doing this all the way around the perimeter.
We're doing it on all of the foundation walls that you see will all be insulated, the interior ones and the exterior.
That goes fast, huh?
Sure does.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.